going nowhere.
Alright guys, today we're going to be rebuilding my 1999 Cr125. I did this full rebuild last winter, everything from the bottom to the top end. Now we have roughly 25 hours on the bike. I couldn't tell you for sure. Got a Tusk hour meter on here, and for some reason it didn't clock my hours. I got 5.38 hours on this bike according to the hour meter. We're going to go ahead and do a time lapse of us taking the plastics off and getting further in, and probably we're going to do the top end inside the frame, but we haven't decided, so stay tuned. Nice little dent in there. So we're getting a little bit further into the build now. We've got the power valve cover off, we got the head nuts off, and then we're going to pull the head off in the next video here for the part of the time lapse. Alright, pull the head off here. Got a little bit of carbon buildup on it, nothing that we didn't expect, but other than that, it looks beautiful. We took the cylinder off of here, and now we got the piston. Should have cleaned the engine a little bit better. Always clean your engine 100% before you do this to keep any dirt from getting in. This dirt was on the bottom side, not up to the top, so it wasn't falling in, so I wasn't super worried about it. We got the cylinder head cleaned up, we got the side covers, we got the cylinder cleaned up, we got all the power valve parts. We cleaned them inside the parts washer, then we cleaned them off with some dish soap. Two sets of handlebars. We got my 98 Cr125. I bought this bike last year at the end of the year. Got a good deal on it. Really wanted a lot of parts off this for my 99 to make it better. I had the rear shock out of it for my 99. This one is built by FCR. Looks like it's pretty good, just like the forks I stole off of this bike for my 99 already. That's what you're going to see today. So we just finished taking everything out. We got the rear shock out of here, this FCR shock. This is actually a real shock for a 98. This shock here is for a steel frame 97, an older model. Not sure it came on my 99. Somebody else put it on there in the past. It bolts up, so we're gonna throw it in here just so it'll just so the bike's still a roller. And this will go on my 99. So you're gonna see a reassembly video real quick. We just got the bike put back together. We got the rear shock changed out. All the bolts are barely tightened because we know we're going to be working on this bike soon. So we're going to get this back in there. I'm going to pull out my 00 frame. We're going to pull the triple tree off of that and go ahead and stick that on my 99 as well.
Oh yeah.
This is my Cr125r. This bike is whipped. It's just a parts bike for me. A lot of good stuff on here. The frame's cracked though, so it's junk. Threw my RG3 clamps on here last year just because they needed bearings. I didn't have time, so I took a OEM set and threw it on my 99. We're gonna take these off real quick. So go put them on my 99.